On today's podcast, we'll be talking about loading dock safety, so stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Loading docks are critical areas in many facilities and come with unique safety challenges. Whether maneuvering heavy equipment or handling various materials, taking the proper precautions is crucial. Here are 5 essential tips to maintain a safe loading dock environment. Number 1, designated safety zones. Mark safety zones for personnel and equipment. Utilize safety floor tape, cones, or painted lines to indicate where it's safe to stand or park machinery. Marking safety zones reduces the risk of collisions or accidental run-ins with equipment. Number 2, communication is key. Always establish a clear line of communication between the loading dock workers and the truck drivers by implementing hand signals, walkie-talkies, or even designated dock signaling systems. This aim is to coordinate activities seamlessly to prevent accidents. Number 3, vehicle restraints. Use vehicle restraints like wheel chocks or automatic locking systems to secure the trucks during loading or unloading, thus preventing accidental movement, which could result in severe injury or damage to goods. Number 4, regular inspection and maintenance. Loading docks are busy areas with constant wear and tear. Regularly inspect the dock plates, levelers, and bumpers for damage. Schedule timely maintenance to ensure all equipment is within optimal working condition. And number 5, safety gear and PPE, which is personal protection equipment. Ensure everyone on the loading dock is equipped with appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE. This usually includes high visibility vests, steel-toed boots, and gloves, which help mitigate heavy machinery and material handling risks. You can create a safer, more efficient loading dock area by consistently implementing these tips. In a setting where seconds can make all the difference, safety precautions are not just guidelines, but necessities. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.